English-Tagalog conjugation ng salitang isip.
What you're thinking is not good.
Hindi maganda iyang iniisip mo.
Have you ever thought of moving to another place?
Naisipan mo na rin bang ibang lugar?
Is that the way you thought?
Ganyan ba ang naisip mo?
How did you come up with that?
Paano mo naisip iyan?
You are the one I thought of asking.
Ikaw ang naisip kong tanungin.
Don't think too much.
Huwag ka masyadong mag-isip.
I'm thinking of going abroad next year.
Iniisip kong ibang bansa sa susunod na taon.
It hurts to think that he is already gone.
Masakit isiping wala na siya.
I know what you're thinking.
Alam ko kung ano ang iniisip mo.
Have you thought of a way?
May naisip ka na bang paraan?
Don't think badly of him.
Huwag mo siyang pag-isipan ng masama.
Just keep in mind that I love you.
Basta isipin mo lang na mahal kita.
You need to think of a good solution.
Kailangan mong mag-isip ng magandang solusyon.
I couldn't think of an answer.
Wala akong maisip na sagot.
It's more difficult than you think.
Mas mahirap yan kaysa sa iniisip mo.
You should think of his welfare too.
Isipin mo rin ang kanyang kapakanan.
Have you thought of an answer?
May naisip ka na bang sagot?
I thought of giving you a gift.
Naisip kong bigyan ka ng regalo.
I'm thinking of you.
Iniisip kita.
I don't want to think about it.
Ayaw kong isipin.
I'm always thinking of you.
Lagi kitang iniisip.
What are you thinking?
Anong iniisip mo?
Are you having a second thought?
Nagdadalawang isip ka ba?
I will think of it first.
Pag-iisipan ko muna. Pangungusap.